Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shramika. I am an engineer by profession and a seeker by passion. After locking ourselves up for what felt like 10 years, we finally decided to get out of our house and stay at the foot of Nandi Hills for a day. This video is all about that. Actually, this video is to make ex-Bangaloreans nostalgic and non-Bangaloreans aware of the beauty in and around Bangalore. Hope you all find this video fun and fascinating. I will be covering all the mistakes we made as well, so keep watching so that you don't make them when you go to Nandi Hills. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. Yes, so we are on our way to Nandi Hills. It's around 4 pm. I was very excited as it was going to be my first time staying in a tent. You can't really see the excitement now, but trust me on that. For those of you who do not know, Nandi Hills is about 60 kilometers from the main part of Bangalore, so it is counted as a perfect weekend getaway for Bangaloreans. This was the first time we were going to stay at Nandi Hills, and I certainly hope it's not the last. We are nearing our stay. We flock at ground zero. Oops. Reverse. Yes, we flock at ground zero. This place is so clean and beautiful. It has got some of the tastiest food you can find in Nandi Hills. This place is so well maintained. We found a cute dog here too. He was very friendly. He did not bark at us at all. Okay, I'm distracted by the cuteness and the love in this frame. Can I post the full video of the interaction with him? It's the cutest. The stay for the night is here. Ta-da! Oh, okay, I couldn't open it with one hand. Let me show you what's inside. It's so comfortable, cozy and cute. After some yummy food, chilling and lazing around and relaxing before the bonfire, it was now time to sleep, since we had to wake up at 5 am so that we can catch the sunrise at Nandi Hills. Good morning, guys. The plan was to wake up at 5 and go to Nandi Hills, top of Nandi Hills before sunrise, but it's already 6:15 here and seems like the hotel guys have slept off and they're not opening our gates, so we are stuck inside our hotel. Plan flop. We finally were successful in getting out and hitting the road running, racing against the sun. Clearly, it was not just us, but a huge crowd doing the same. One advantage we had was that we were on a bike, so we could make our way faster than all the cars. Or at least we thought so. We have to go almost 10 km uphill to reach the entry to Nandi Hills. It was almost 7 am and clearly the sun had already risen, but we rushed anyways. Looks like the sun has been playing hide and seek with all of us. Everyone cheering whenever it was bright and out was giving a very nice high. It reminded me of the good old days when we used to go to theatres watching our favorite stars on screen. Oh, the sun is also a star, right? Funny joke, Shramika. All the hassle we went through was absolutely justified, and how? Look at this view! There are many other spots to check out when you're here, but we were very hungry and had nothing to eat with us. Don't do this mistake like us. Bring some snacks with you, but be very careful because there are many monkeys here waiting for their meals as well. We quickly stopped by the temple here. Yeah, we hadn't had baths, but as my dad says, मन साफ होना चाहिए, तन नहीं. I don't know about you, but I have fallen in love with Nandi Hills. It is a perfect respite for people like us who have bikes and not cars. I would suggest you all to come on bikes here and not on cars. Come in a car and you would be stuck like this in a long queue for a very long time. It's so beautiful that I don't want to leave this place. You can leave now, we are just going back to VFlock. But before you leave, write down in the comment section below what are your memories with Nandi Hills and what are the places we missed on this trip. This will help me urge my husband to drive back 70 kilometers. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you again next week. Bye.